what system or routine that you have that help you stay consistent when life does get busy or chaotic, whether it's, personal or professional is getting too busy. How do you stay consistent?
You guys are all so gifted. I swear you guys use CRMs and you are my heroes in it. And 20 years later, I'm still not using it. So a few years ago, there was a one page, instead of it being a CRM database, it was a human database. And this was taught to me by Hank the Tank, if you guys know him. But it really just, it basically made it all on one page where I can actually execute it, see it, do it. And what it was is creating the top 36 people in my life right now who I want to work with, who I want to serve. And with those top 36, I had to pick one platform, and Facebook is just one. I've always used it. I'm comfortable with it. They would talk about TikTok, Snap. I couldn't even log into those. It was just foreign language to me. Where Facebook was my baby. So it was like, what can I do if I am gifted on Facebook? I like it. That's where all my people are at. It's one page, you guys. So it is going in, I create a friends list. That friends list changes. I mean, every few months I go in there and I'm like, oh, I don't really want them on my top 36 anymore, but this person came into my life and I want them to now be closer and I want to serve them, their family or friends. All it is 5 days a week. You go in there, you have those top 36, 50 likes, it is 20 comments, it is 5 private messages, and then it's creating one deep conversation. And if you do that every single day for 5 days, in return, it creates 36 transactions for me. And it is like science. I go back the last few years, 36 was just a number that allowed me to icon with our organization, with our company. And that gave me all basically everything I've put into the company, they gave it back to me. So I'm like, how do I get 36 transactions? And it's starting off with those 36 people because even if they're not moving, now you're a walking billboard. You're the name that is present to them to refer to their family or friends. So it's create the list, 36 people, create a custom friends list in Facebook, go in there, 50 likes, 20 comments, 5 messages, and then one true conversation. And you can produce 36 homes a year in your sleep. And it is a gift. I can't get sidetracked. It's just get in there, get it done. And then you can do the same with agents too. If you're trying to grow a team, create top 36 in your industry who you want to work with and basically work that algorithm. We all know that the algorithm is the science of it. And you guys have been seeing how social media is changing drastically. So you have to work those people in order to be present and first of mind.
I love that. That's huge. And that's a story that really shows when she chose to be consistent, that made a huge difference in her business and helped her get to the 36 by doing that consistently. So I love that.